Test between Pakistan and Bangladesh. It's day 5 at the Rawalpindi. Bangladesh 12 behind with 262. Pakistan then faltered and scored only 172 second time around. Bangladesh with the whole of day 5 available to them.
To bowl the first ball.
That's a good start. Happens when luck isn't on your side. Brilliant delivers him up.
Oh, it's well bowled.
What a ripper. Just holds the angle, just holds 58 for 1. Zakir walks back for a very...
In the air, oh, it's a good shot. He's just made sure that he's gone over the field. Good option. Length. Short wide, has a go at it. Hits it really well. Very good from Shadman. The opportunity. In the air and gone. He was working on making shot. Time goes straight to Shan Masood.
That's a soft dismissal. It's a nothing shot. A straightforward. And Shan Masood, who picks up another wicket. Shadman goes.
Edge to the gap. Goes to the fence. Yeah, Khurram Shahzad just hangs.
Angle it into the stumps, and minute you go middle leg, this is what. Straight 2 full on that occasion. Khurram Shahzad
Create opportunities here. And pumped away. And there's a cracking shot from the...
And goes through the gap. Just stayed slightly low. Down the leg side. They run through for 2. The overthrow will get them 3. This needs to stop. 3 just before lunch. A 52-run partnership as well between Shanto and Mominal. Shanto and Mominal will walk back with 33 and 20 respectively.
lunch. Bangladesh 122 for 2, looking good. Lost 2 wickets in the and Mominul batting at ease. For Hamza and Khurram, Abrar still going wicketless. Ali and Salman. So the match summary clearly shows the bottom part of it. Bangladesh needs 63 runs to win. Start of session 2 on day 5.
Flip. By an impressive partnership, and this has been Bangladesh through.
He doesn't lie. He's been attempting this stroke. Time around, it was executed.
Gone. Umpires will have a word, but it seems as if it's a short leg.
TV umpire to bump ball. I have checked the feet. It's a fair delivery. Can you? Do you have anything else to show from front on, please? Yeah, roll it back one more time, please. Yeah, now roll forward. Ball bounced before the bat, and straight from the bat, it went straight into the hand of the short leg fielder. Roll it, just to complete the catch. Yes.
Straight off the bat, and just waiting for OUT from Abdullah Shafiq, keeping with the ball, keeping low. Batted well for his 38. And he goes short and it's a back cut, which races away to the fence. Yeah, so the right-handers. Edge at the gap. It's
high in the air. That will be a soft dismissal. You might call it unnecessary.
It was in business to hit it over the top of the infield. Not the right choice. And it's over. Just wanted to pick up a boundary, not the case of Saim Ayub. So Abrar, Mominal goes for 34.
We'll see how that one plays out. This one is playing his hands at the moment. A big bang onto the side.
Yeah, Shakib's seen enough on the push, and this will land safe and go for 4.
Recently. That slash onto the boundary. It's over. First ever series. Tune in here and also back home. Will remember campaigner to be there till the very end.
Bangladesh getting to 185 with 6 wickets in hand and completing the series. Pakistan bowlers, a wicket each for Hamza, Shehzad, Abrar. So once again, quick look at the match summary. Pakistan 274 in the first innings after asked to bat first. Bangladesh 12 behind with 262. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of the second test. Next time, it's goodbye. Match at the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium between Pakistan and Bangladesh.